Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming Render Pipeline, HDRP or ERP, because that controls available features and quality. This matters for shadows and reflection fidelity. Create a directional light as your primary sun, then tweak intensity and color to match time of day. Rotate it for shadow direction. Once done, assign a skybox material and add a reflection probe near key surfaces. These capture environment lighting, which improves realism. Make sure ambient source is set to skybox so indirect light matches the scene. Next, decide mixed, baked, or real-time lighting based on performance. Mixed gives dynamic objects correct shading with baked indirect light, while baked is cheapest at runtime. Mark static geometry and adjust light map resolution and UV charts to avoid seams, then run a bake to store indirect illumination. For interiors, add point and spotlights to highlight areas, adjust range and cookies for focused beams, and choose hard or soft shadows for style. Once done, validate light probes for dynamic object lighting accuracy. To finish, add post-processing to control exposure, bloom, and color grading. These tie lighting into the camera's final look, so tweak intensity until skin tones and highlights read correctly. Optimize performance by reducing shadow distance, lowering cascade count, and compressing light maps. Profile the scene and iterate. If lighting looks wrong, rebake GI, clear the global illumination cache, and verify object UVs and mix mode assignments. One key troubleshooting tip. If seams or blotches appear, increase light map resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.